Welcome back to another video. So today is a little collab I'm doing with Just Your Nail Addict and our good friend Anne Marie. Just a little something. No real theme in particular. Annie wanted to do something with a marble and a bit of bling. So yeah, it's just a quick, easy gel polish design. Bit of marble, bit of bling. I'll leave Joe, and Joe's got a YouTube channel. I'll leave Joe's channel pinned in my comments, and Annie's on Instagram. If you give any of them a follow, they'll give you a follow back. So what have I done? I've painted the nails white using Model 1s, and this is the glitter I'm using. It's called Alice from the Wonderland collection from A&A Glitter. I'm using Madam Glam gels today, Perfect Yellow. This one is Fresh Water. I love this blue, it's beautiful. And I'm going to be using the Perfect Silver as well. So I'm just going to put a little blob of each colour on my palette. The yellow, the blue and the silver. Yeah, this is a very quick, very easy, beginner friendly design. And I'm just kind of doing a marble this way. The white has been cured in the lamp, so that's completely dry, and I've wiped the tacky layer off. And I'm just using a little skinny brush and wiping off in between each colour. And I'm literally just doing little swooshes. Nothing precise or planned. And then I'm just going to put a couple of little flicks of silver going through that as well. I'm going to do exactly the same on the pinky. I didn't want to mix that yellow and blue too much because I didn't really want any green. And we all know yellow and blue makes green. So yeah, I'm going to do exactly the same on the pinky, and I'm going to stick that in the lamp. I'm going to give it 60 seconds, a double cure, only because it's a little bit thick. So I wanted to make sure it was cured all the way through. So yeah guys, this is a collab with Just Your Nail Addict and Anne Marie. Like I said, Annie doesn't do YouTube, she's got an Instagram. I think she's got a Facebook page as well. I'll leave it all in my description box. Or it might be pinned in my comments, one or the other. It'll be there anyway. I'd love it if you'd go and give both of them a cheeky follow. And yeah, like I said, they'll follow you back. So now that's both of them cured, I'm using Madam Glam base coat, and on this pointer finger I'm going to do a glitter fade coming up from the tip. So I'm going to leave that base coat wet, I'm not curing it, and I'm just going to place some of the glitter using a brush, quite busy at the tip, and fading it off up the nail. And I'm going to base coat the ring finger as well. I got lazy when it comes to this ring finger. I should have used a brush like I'm using here. And I thought, no, sprinkle it on, it'll be fine. But no, it was a hot mess. I had to sit for ages just picking at it and messing with it to get it all flat and even. So yeah, maybe don't use chunky glitters to pour on a nail. That's more for fine glitters. And once I've got all the glitter on, I'm going to give them a 60-second cure as well. Look at that rest, guys. I thought I was trying to be quicker and it ended up taking me longer because it took me ages to faff about and get it all flat. Right, so now I'm using old top coat. Make sure you use an old one because you'll get glitter in it. Nice, thick, generous layer over the glitter just to encapsulate it. I'm going to cure that and give it a little buff, get it nice and smooth. Right, that's them. They've all been buffed, nice and smooth. So we're just going to put some gems on now. This is the bling side of the collab. So these are yellow, but they've got a blue shift. Perfect for this design. Absolutely perfect. And then I'm using these blue. These have got an AB shift as well. Yeah, perfect. So I'm just using a gem glue. and I'm just going to get some gems. I'll just show you this one finger and I'll do the little finger off camera. I'm going to cure them, then we can get them top coated and finished. Right guys, so that's all my bling. Isn't them colours perfect for this design? So sparkly. Oh, I forgot to show you, I used a couple of clear transparent gems as well. So I'm just going to get these top coated now and that'll be then finished. There we go guys, nice, quick, easy, definitely beginner friendly I think. I think they turned out really quite unique. Anyway guys, that is it for today. Remember this was a collab with just Joe Nail Addict and Annie-Anne and Marie. I'll leave Joe's video pinned in my comments and I'll leave Annie-Anne and Marie's Instagram, so please head over to Instagram and see the set that Annie did. She's called Nail Force 1 on Instagram. Lovely, lovely woman she is, really, really sweet. But anyway guys, that is it for today. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, hit your notification bell as well so you don't miss any of my videos, and hopefully I'll see you back in my next one. Take care, bye.